Find an area of the circle. To find the area of the circle, you must know only one thing, that is radius of the circle. This is the radius. Center to the circumference is called radius. This is the formula we could use for finding the area of a circle. Area equals pi r squared. Pi is a constant value. For the 5, we can use here 3.142 or 5 equals 22/7. Then as an example, I will do this thing. The radius of this circle is r equals 7 cm. We have to find the area of this circle. Area equals 5r squared. Area equals 22/7 into 7 into 7. Area equals 7 times 22, 154 square centimeter. If a circle is like this, in this circle, radius is 2.5 centimeter. 2.5. Then how can we find the area? That one also, area equals 5r squared. Area, here you can just write 3.142 into 2.5 into 2.5. Then you may have a doubt, why I use here instead of 22/7 3.142. You can see this 2.5 and 7, they are not simplificable, so it is easy for us to do like this. So you can write here 3.142 into 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, 6.25, then into 3.142. When multiplying from 3.142 by 6.25, you will get the answer here, 19.6 square centimeter. This is the answer here.